Would you dare to eat a cheese that's alive? Today, we're venturing into the hidden mountains of Sardinia to discover Casu Martzu, the world's most dangerous cheese. From jumping larvae to ancient shepherd traditions, this is a story of a culinary forbidden fruit that defies EU laws and common logic. Are you brave enough to take a bite? Tune in now. Thanks for tuning in to Slow English. I invite you to sit back and enjoy our latest episode. It's a great way to practice your English every day. The Forbidden Cream of Sardinia. Imagine a rugged, sun-drenched landscape where ancient traditions are guarded as fiercely as the island's coastline. We are in Sardinia, Italy. But we aren't here for the beaches today. We're here for a culinary experience that is illegal, dangerous, and, to many, absolutely divine. We're talking about Casu Martzu. Casu Martzu literally translates to rotten cheese, but that's a bit of an understatement. Its history stretches back centuries, born from the practical, no-waste philosophy of Sardinian shepherds. Legend has it that the cheese was discovered by accident when a wheel of Pecorino Sardo was left out and infested by the Piophila casei, or the cheese fly. Instead of throwing it away, the shepherds noticed that the cheese had transformed into something creamy, pungent, and incredibly potent. But here is where it gets interesting, and for some, a little terrifying. To make Casu Martzu, you need those flies to lay their eggs inside the cheese. The eggs hatch into thousands of tiny, translucent white larvae. These maggots digest the cheese fats, turning the hard pecorino into a soft, spreadable cream. And here's the kicker. For a true aficionado, the cheese is only good if the maggots are still alive and wriggling. In fact, these little guys can jump up to 15 centimeters if they feel threatened, so locals often hold their hands over their bread to stop a stray larva from hitting them in the eye. Now, is it popular today? Well, despite, or perhaps because of, its notoriety, it is a point of immense cultural pride. You won't find it on a supermarket shelf, but it is a staple at Sardinian weddings and family gatherings. It's seen as an aphrodisiac, a delicacy, and a symbol of the island's soul. If you're a traveler with the right connections, a shepherd might just pull a hidden wheel out from a back room to share a taste of this forbidden fruit with you. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, the controversy. Casu Martzu has been illegal under EU food health and safety regulations for decades. Why? Because it's technically contaminated food. There are health risks, including the terrifying possibility of pseudomyosis, where the larvae survive the stomach acid and cause internal issues. This has led to a long-standing battle between Brussels and the Sardinian people. Sardinians argue that this isn't just rotten food, it's a centuries-old artisanal process. They've even tried to have it declared a traditional food to bypass the bans. To the locals, the maggots aren't a bug, they're a feature. They represent a connection to their ancestors and a middle finger to the homogenization of modern food culture. So, would you dare to try a spoonful of jumping larvae? Is it a dangerous biohazard or a misunderstood masterpiece? In Sardinia, the answer is clear. As long as the maggots are jumping, the tradition is alive. I invite you to listen to our next episode. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update.